lot of people asking if there will actually be continuity, and continuity looking at spreading to other states like Ekiti that is producing rice and things like that. Then some were actually looking at, will this support still cut across the livestock sector and things like that, looking at the wonderful job ATASP is doing. So we thought, let's bring back this feedback to you so that these people can actually know what they should expect next from ATASP.
Yeah, thank you very much. The ATASP-2 design, the ATASP-1 honestly design is a continuation of ATASP-2, that there should be ATASP-2. And thank God the National Assembly has approved the Baron Plan since 2022, it's about $200 million. So there is going to be ATASP-2, inshallah. And but those states to be participate is going to be decided by the federal government and Mr. President, Minister of Agriculture and Food Security. And for the other commodity value chain like the livestock, yes, we are going to consider the inclusion of livestock component in the ATASP-2, such as the dairy, beef production, poultry, and maybe pasture development.
So what new things should we be expecting from the ATASP-2, since we now know that yes, ATASP-2 is coming to keep these people, to gladden their heart to say yes, there's continuity of this project. What new things are we to be expecting?
New thing is we are also expanding on another other commodity value chain, commodity value chain, agricultural commodity value chain of crops. For example, now the ATASP-1 is doing, has done or is doing rice, sorghum, and cassava. Now we are going to consider doing maize, cowpea, and maybe groundnuts or cotton, depending on what the government will decide to do, and then what the communities actually want to do, especially the project is community driven development, is what the people want to do, but we also have to put it on the scale of what the government want to address the food security situation of the country.
Now we've seen the irrigation waterway, and we must applaud ATASP because it has actually shown that this is a new technology that will go around the year farming for both dry season
days of farming.
Yes, and a whole lot of farmers are applauding this. Are we going to see this cut across other zones or other states too?
Oh yes, that is the essence of the ATASP-2, is to address the whole agenda of the of Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Bola Tinubu. And in doing that, we have deficit of agricultural infrastructure, such as the irrigation schemes and the rural. So this is going to be addressed. It's part of the agenda of the federal government, and this is what the ATASP-2 is going to address.
So the farmers and people down there, what do you have to say to them to keep them going in their farming activities?
Exactly. I want to encourage our farmers that we have mentored in ATASP-1 to continue doing the good work they are doing. We have taught them good agronomic practices. We have brought technologies of the commodities to them. We have lifted them from 1 ton per hectare in rice to about 6 tons, some of them 7 tons per hectare over the years. For sorghum, we have lifted them up to 2 tons per hectare. And for cassava up to 35 tons per hectare. So they should keep up this good work they are doing, and improve. They will also go higher. And then also the facilities we left behind for them, they should really take care of it, such as the roads, such as the irrigation schemes, such as the boreholes we have given them for water, such as schools, such as health centers, such as markets. They should maintain them, because if they don't maintain them, it will get spoiled. The maintenance culture is very important. And we also left what we call community project maintenance committees. We have taught them, we have mentored them, we know what to do. So this, and we also have the IPs implementation platforms, innovation platforms in all the communities. We have about more than 120 across these states and the zones. So these IPs are also really strategic, for the project. So it should be maintained.
Okay, it's a new year and Nigerians are expecting a whole lot when it comes to agricultural food production. Yes, ATAPS is one big border that people are looking up to. What message do you have for Nigerians in this new year as regards food production and things like that?
Yeah, federal government, is doing its very best to ensure that they have supported agriculture, and the agricultural industry in all its ramifications. It is very important, Nigerians, that we should grow what we eat, and then, we should be self-reliant. So we have to work hard. We have to also accept the support of the government and also support the government by doing what is needed.
Can you introduce yourself, sir?
My name is Ibrahim Mohamed Arabi, National Program Coordinator for ATASP-1.
It's nice speaking with you, sir. Thank you very much for the opportunity, sir.